So we come to the criticism of the Treaty of Versailles, First World War. The Treaty of Versailles was undoubtedly a dictated peace बोला जाता है Treaty of Versailles को. One that would assign all the war guilt जर्मनी को दे दिया. सारा दोष जर्मनी का है, ऐसे थोपा हो गया था. The principle at the root of the treaty was to the victors belong the spoils and the allies are the victors. To the victors belong the spoils and the allies are the victors only. Triple alliance जिन लोग का था. The German representatives had to sign, they were forced to sign the treaty under coercion. The Treaty of Versailles was very, very harsh upon Germany, you know. It deprived Germany of all its colonial possessions. जितना भी अभी तक वो बनाया था, एक treaty में सब खत्म. And imposed enormous compensation in the form of war damage. Her military strength totally crushed. The peace agreements therefore broke down Germany under Hitler and Germany under Hitler showed aggression in its political activities. This became an important cause and this was the reason of the Second World War. और क्या क्या treaties हुआ था? What were the other treaties? এখন আমরা treaties ही করছি, okay? Separate treaties were signed with Austria के साथ, with Bulgaria, जो भी Germany का allies था. These treaties disarmed Austria and Bulgaria respectively. Then Austria-Hungary was also broken up. Hungary को एक separate state का दर्जा दिया गया. It became a separate state. A separate treaty was also made with Hungary. So Austria के साथ एक treaty हुआ, Austria-Hungary को तोड़ दिया गया, and then another treaty was signed with Hungary. Turkey signed the Treaty of Sèvres in August 1920. She surrendered her authority practically on all non-Turkish races के ऊपर जो भी था, they gave it away. Then what were the territorial rearrangements कैसा हुआ हम लोग को देखना पड़ेगा. There's another page ना. Okay, we have already stated Austria-Hungary was broken up, okay, and Hungary was recognized as a separate state. So this was a political rearrangement, a territorial rearrangement. Then Germany was forced to cede, means to give away Alsace-Lorraine to France. She had to surrender the areas of Eupen and Malmedy, Belgium को. Germany was also compelled to hand over to Poland large areas of the industrial areas. But this we did na that day. Silesia, yes, हमारा याद है. New states, Romania, Czechoslovakia, Finland, Yugoslavia, all were created keeping in view the principles of nationality, nationalism, different states were created. Another thing was that was very, very important. The war saw the end of autocratic monarchy. जो था Germany, Russia, Austria-Hungary, Rajtantra was given up. Autocratic monarchy will not be there. After the outbreak of the Russian Revolution in 1917, the Tsarist dictatorship in Russia also came to an end.